Hey guys, today I'm going to share with you how to make a quick and easy pollo guisado. So if you want to learn how to make it, just stay tuned and I'll show you how. Alrighty guys, so let's get started with our ingredients. For this recipe we're going to need 2.5 pounds of chicken breast or thighs, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1 green bell pepper, 1 onion, 4 Roma tomatoes, 3 minced garlic cloves, 5 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 2 bay leaves, and all of our spices that will be listed in the description box. So these are ingredients. Now let's get started. Alright guys, so we're going to begin by seasoning our chicken. Here I already have it cut into 1-inch cubes. And I'm just going to season it with the chili powder, salt, black pepper, and onion powder. So just sprinkle it and make sure that it gets nice and coated. Okay, you want to make sure that your chicken is pat dry before adding the spices. Okay, so once it's nice and coated, now we're just going to sprinkle 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. And this is just going to help thicken up the sauce. Okay, and once our chicken is ready, we can take it to the stove. Okay, now to our pan over medium-high heat, we're going to heat up a little bit of oil. And you just want to add enough oil to cover the bottom of your pan. And once it's nice and hot, we can begin to add our chicken. And just make sure to add your chicken in a single layer. Do this step in batches if you need to. But we're just going to get it nice and browned all around. Alright, so after a minute, we're going to flip our chicken over to the other side. And just allow that side to get nice and brown as well. Okay, so after the minute, remove the chicken from the pan. Okay, so now we're just going to repeat the same process to the rest of our chicken. Alright guys, so once we have browned all of our chicken, now we're going to reduce the heat to medium. Add a little bit more oil. And here we're going to be adding our bell pepper and onion. And we're just going to saute it for a couple minutes. Okay, after a couple minutes, add the minced garlic along with the Roma tomatoes. And just saute it for a minute. Okay, and after a minute, we're going to sprinkle 1 tablespoon of all-purpose flour. Mix it in with the vegetables. And just allow it to cook for about a minute. After the minute, we're going to be adding our chili powder, ground cumin, oregano, and poultry herb mix. Just mix it. Okay, now here we're going to slowly pour our chicken broth. Make sure that you're mixing it as you're adding. And just allow that to begin to thicken. Okay, just make sure to dissolve the flour. And once we added that, we can add our tomato paste and just mix it in. Okay, now add the bay leaves and bring it to a simmer. Okay, and once it comes to a simmer, taste it for yourself and see if you need to adjust it. For me, this is perfect, so now we're just going to be adding our chicken. Now just mix in the chicken. Now here you're going to reduce the heat to low setting. Cover it and allow it to cook for 25 minutes or until our chicken is fully cooked. Alright guys, so after 25 minutes, our chicken should be fully cooked. And our sauce should have turned into a nice and beautiful gravy sauce. Of course, make sure that you check your chicken. And just look at that. So this pollo guisado is done. So now we can get ready to serve. And of course, you can serve it with your favorite sides. I'm going to be serving it with mashed potatoes. But this right here goes perfect with rice as well. So just grab it and serve. Alrighty guys, and now for the best part, the taste test. Now let me tell you guys that I hope you give this recipe a try. This is seriously super quick, easy, and so delicious. It's perfect for this time of year. So hope you give it a try and enjoy it just as much. Cheers and enjoy. It's still a little hot. So flavorful, so comforting. The chicken is so tender. It's so good. Like I said, you can serve it with the rice, beans, or just like how I did here. Regardless, it's honestly the best. Alrighty guys, and there you have it, how to make a super easy and delicious pollo guisado. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and if you agree with this recipe, please don't forget to tag me in any of my social medias, and if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button so you guys can be part of our family. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye.